In this video, I'll show you how to connect Hotspot to PC. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, if you want to connect your, let's say, your Hotspot from your mobile device, from your iPhone, from your Android to your PC, that is your personal computer, what you're going to do right now, you can see this option, right? You're going to come on here. I'm going to turn it off, right? So once I've turned it off, you're going to do the same, right? But we want to basically now connect the internet connection from our mobile to our PC. So you're going to click on here. Once you click on here, you're going to click on available, click on the how to do, click on the connect. Once you have clicked on the connect, it's going to turn on automatically. So you can see right here, we just got internet access, right? So this is how you can connect your hotspot to your PC. Please, this video is basically for educational guide only. I'm sharing my thoughts on what you should know. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.